All right, welcome back, carnivore family. I had another question pop up that I thought would be good to share with the masses. So I get asked, what do I eat in a day? So generally I start my day Monday through Friday. Most likely it's gonna be 2 hard-boiled eggs. I'll also have coffee with that. When I do my coffee, 1 cup of coffee, I'll put 1 packet of stevia in the raw. That curbs my sugar craving and lets me have my coffee without any guilt. Lunchtime. Let me see if I can turn the camera around while I'm doing this, if it'll let me. Lunchtime. Generally lunchtime I will do my pre-made bacon cheeseburger meatballs or the flank ribs. There's my liver. I got pork bites. These are pork loin that I've cut up into chunks. I'll make that at lunchtime. If not that, I've got pork belly cut up into slices that I'll put into the air fryer. Both of those are good air fryer meals. And then dinner time is usually, got steaks, got the regular pork chops, got chicken, more chicken, and fish. So in general, that's kind of what I do. I think a lot of it helps, especially for the lunchtime stuff, is the meal prep for the pork items and the meatballs. That way, I know, like, if I'm working at home, I can pull out like my pork bites, throw them in the sink, and then by lunchtime they're thawed enough, I can throw them in the air fryer and they're good to go. Generally, I do liver once a week. You don't need it every day, but you do get a lot of nutrients from liver. So that's one of my weekly items, whatever time during the week that I do it. But yeah, some nights we may eat out. So I may do, instead of like, one thing we didn't have in the freezer right now is Bubba Burger hamburger patties. Some nights we just do 2 or 3 hamburger patties and cheese as a meal. And it gets us by. It's easy to make, and it's easy to stay on your carnivore journey when you have these items to help you out. So good food prep, for the pork bites and the pork bellies, pre-bagging the pork chops into the meal sizes for the family. And then, then it's easier to do. It's easier to keep up with when you have these things kind of set out. So we do our food run to Costco or Sam's Club. And whenever we get home with that, we immediately cut up and bag everything and mark it for the dates that we got it, and then throw it in the freezer, and then when it's time to use it, we use it. So yeah, keep the questions coming. Like I say, I'm sharing with you what I do. You may find when you do this process that it doesn't quite work to do 2 meals or 3 meals a day. You may need larger portions to start with so that you stay full, or maybe you skip breakfast and you just do lunch and dinner. This is completely flexible. It's whatever way it works for you. So when I share, I'm sharing what I do, because as of today, I am 59 pounds down in less than 6 months. Keep at it. Keep talking. Let's hear more.